Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna teach you how to do this the aquarium and this partition with aquarium at the partition. Okay, very simple only. Or you just go to system cabinet first. Okay, system cabinet here. Okay, so let's say I'll see the pattern first. Let me see. The pattern here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have base here first. Okay, just drag the base here. Okay, just drag this one. Simple. Drag this one. Point on the wall, then move into here. Okay, this one. Then you give it a size. Maybe I give it 2,400. Okay, a size. Too big. Okay, 1,800. So this one will be the bottom. Okay. So the door also very simple. You know how to do, right? Okay. Board selection, control up, down, left, right. Then right click, generate door only. Okay. After that, just divide the door with vertical. Okay, maybe I'll divide 3. 3. Okay. So after that, continue. Let's see the picture. Here got a banner. And here got a banner, and here got a banner. Okay, we just create the banner only. Okay, for this one we can, I think, or we use separate banner is better lah. Separate banner. Okay, so I'll just separate the banner only lah. Just build the banner only. Use this one. I usually like this one. Okay, because this one have no limit. Super board. So just drag here to here. For the top. So this banner is quite depth. Okay, I'll just make it like 100. Okay, and another one at the corner. At the corner here got one. So I'll just drag another one. Get this banner also. Put here. Okay, never mind. I change the size. Maybe this one also like 100 only. So this one the white I change it to 100. Okay, this one I make it 0. Make it stick to the banner, to here. Then the height I make it full height 3000. Something like this. Okay. And another banner also. Okay, well let's see another banner. Should be here lah. In the banner. So this one I just copy lah. Should be here only ma. Okay, so I Ctrl V. Okay, this one I'll make it select first. Then this one I change it to 0. Make it stick to the wall. Simple as that. Okay. I try another panel. Another panel again. Okay. This time, this one I make it to the ceiling. To the ceiling. And I change the height. I change the depth first. Or the height first. This one I make it 100 also. Okay. Then I make it 0 here. 0 here. Okay. So this one is the size here, because you can see here until here. Okay, so I'll just 1842. I'll just add here the white. Add 1842, enter. Simple as that. Okay. If overlaps, then you minus 100. Minus 100 because I remember the thickness. I put 100. Okay. So after that, here and here. Okay, simple. So this one I'll just copy lah. This one I copy one. Ctrl V. Okay, Ctrl V, and we change the height first. This one I put it to 2100. Okay, something like here. 2000 better I think. 1900. Okay. So this one I select this one. Let's see the distance 1433. So I click here, change it to 1433, enter. Okay, so it's got already. Another one is here also. Okay, I'll just Ctrl V also. Select it, Ctrl V. Okay, then this one I change the height lah. I add 400. Okay, so the distance are same also. This one 1433, so I change it to 1433. Okay, if you want taller, then maybe you make it shorter. This one. Okay, so another one is here. also very simple. Click on this one, Control V. Okay, then I move it. Press Z, button Z, move it. Like here. Okay, so I'll decrease exit first. I'll decrease the height lah. This one. Let's see the height. This one on top here is 1000. So I'll just make it 1000. 1000. Okay, sorry, Control Z. Okay, here is 1000. So select this one. The height I make it 1000. Okay, then this one I'll change it to 0 lah, or distance to the ceiling. Make it stick to the ceiling. So if you don't want to see overlap, right, simple, this one you minus 100 lah. Or this one you can see minus 100, minus 100. Okay, and this one you can minus 100 also the height, or you can see minus 100. Simple as that only. Okay, now we're gonna put the aquarium. Okay, so you can exit. Just go to crowd, find this one called Aquarium, or type fish. Fish. So you will see that usually will come out one. Okay. Okay, so just drag this one only. Put on here. Then you got another one, better one. Okay lah, I think this one is better, so I drag another one. Just drag another fish tank here. Okay, so you can change the size. Click on it, rotate it first. Okay, position it correctly. Okay, then press C to enlarge it. Okay, C, enlarge it. Okay, that's all lah. So you can see this one is the aquarium with the partition. Okay, if you want to change the material, just change all with the same material. Click inside first, then right click, all material, cabinet material. So I simply choose this one. It looks similar. Choose. Even the door also, if you want, just right click, format printer, copy. Okay, simple as that. If you want to put lighting, lighting here. Okay, lighting, just come to here, cloud, then you go for this one. Lighting. Okay, so simply just put the lighting now, maybe closet light or any lighting you want. Just drag it. Okay, drag ready. For the lighting. Okay, I drag the lighting outside first, then I move it. The control, move it. Control, move it. Okay, press shift, control, move it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then select control, press shift, control, move it. Release the shift button. Okay, hold the control button. Okay, so well done. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.